Welcome to JH. Today, we're diving into the world of NinjaTrader trade copiers, because apparently, clicking a button once is just too much work for some of you. Most users actually love these third-party tools, especially when they're juggling multiple accounts for prop firms like a high-stakes circus act. The big names on the playground include Replicanto, TradeInsert, and the Apex Trade Copier, each offering different ways to make your life slightly less chaotic. The main draw here is pure efficiency, the ability to trade one master account and have every move automatically mirrored across follower accounts. It's the perfect solution for traders who want to pretend they're running a Wall Street desk from the comfort of their pajamas. Beyond just saving you from repetitive strain injury, these tools offer serious risk management features. We're talking automatic liquidation that keeps you from blowing your prop firm rules, since we all know how much traders love following instructions. Users also rave about reduced slippage when using local copying. By operating within a single NinjaTrader instance, these tools avoid taking the internet's scenic route, ensuring your execution is fast enough to actually catch a profit. The setup process is surprisingly simple, often described as a game changer for people who struggle to set a microwave clock but still want to scale a trading empire. If things do go south, vendors like Affordable Indicators get high marks for support that actually responds to human contact. They'll even use remote access to fix your technical mess while you sit back and wonder why you didn't automate this sooner. It's a solid way to professionalize your setup without needing a degree in computer science. Thanks for watching.